when I started my journey, that time I didn't connect suddenly with any people and learner, you can say. That time only listen some English content and all. And first 15 days I talked with my family member. So in this way, winner also fixed some goal, which kind of.
As we are meeting first time, so I think we should introduce each other.
Yeah, sure, why not? So yeah, first of all, good evening. I hope you are doing well. So now I'm going to introduce myself. So as you know, my name is Sneha Singh. I'm connecting with UP, city of Greater Noida. I'm married. I'm blessed with two kids and as well as homemaker also. And if you talk about my qualification, so I have done graduation in BSc Botany Honors. And about my hobbies, so I'm highly enthusiastic and passionate about my English fluency and communication as well. As I love to do yoga and exercise, and I love to connect with the people. These are my activity. Then I love to do so much. And apart from running my YouTube channel also, that is based on a spoken English. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay,
So
I
I'm
am
eagerly
I
eagerly
am
for right.
Hmm.
Go
I
ahead.
am Tanya, joining you from Jaipur, Pink City. I am a homemaker, and my hobby is watching good movies and playing badminton with my daughter.
Really, it's nice. I love to play badminton because, it's a very if you are going to play badminton every day, it's your eyes exercise will be happen every day. No need to do like if you are doing every exercise for a body, but for a eye exercise, like a very good game is badminton. So I like also.
But nowadays, children are not focusing on, all sorry, offline games. They are more focusing on online games. So, what is your opinion?
No, it's my opinion here because children are not getting time, especially. But children got a holiday. Like nowadays,
Hmm.
online classes going on here. So It's my perspective. What I think, if parents will be do, then children will also do. And if children think like that, no, today is a weekend. I will sleep more like 8 o'clock. I will get up 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So children will do same thing. But in my home, like me and my husband, every Monday to like Saturday Sunday, you can say, I want to wake up early in the morning. Then my children also follow same thing. They also wake up early in the morning. If I'll play some badminton and all, they will also follow to my rules. Mama and Papa is playing something game and all, so they will also join to us and they will play. So first thing, it's like we are a role model to like our children, and they will follow 100%. So it's a must required. Yeah, you are telling right. Most of the children are, they don't want to play outdoor game. They they will every time they spend time only on mobile. Like they
Yes.
will be big, but they will take a time for watching mobile and TV. I don't know how, but they will take a time with busy schedule.
And now the schools are again conducting, online classes because of
On
pollution.
Yeah, so that's why nowadays I'm feeling so much frustrating. That's the reason I'm taking session in evening time, and daytime I feel how was like a school as taking online classes and all, but it's required because outside weather is not too much good.
Yes,
So
yesterday I was just, reading the news in Delhi NCR, all the schools are going to online.
right. Maybe 2 days, like weather is much more good. Maybe Monday school will reopen physical. So I feel happy because once children will leave at home, then your schedule will be totally uh, up like in here and there. You can't manage like whatever you made a plan, and that thing will be not work. So I also am facing this days. I'm much more facing this kind of problem. But I think like that it's a part of our life. Then we can
Yes.
do.
And
So
then we are facing incessant rain also. That time also in school is conducting, online classes.
after COVID, I think so any problem will happen. Then a school will start like in taking classes on online. It's easy. I think so. It's in another hand, you can say it's good. A school will not declare earlier time before COVID. You can say a school in this case especially a school declared no. Now children will only live at home. But at least nowadays a school has conducted like online class, then children busy like 2 hours 3 hours taking online classes. But before COVID they are not taking any, only a school has declared holiday due to some pollution, due to some rain. So it's good little bit, but sometimes parents feel hectic.
Yes. Yeah,
Parents
they are performing double duty, and mother is also performing double duty. Sometimes she is busy in kitchen. Sometimes they are just keep on eye their children what they are doing.
Yeah, my children, my elder one is 9 years old, and my little one is only 4 years. Both have they will. I have to take care of, especially elder one. What she is doing, because I'm doing work in my I am occupied with my kitchen work, and she will still think like that. Mama is busy, then let's watch something new. And so that
Hmm.
time I feel they think like that, no, mama is thinking like that I'm taking online class. So that time in case like she will do another like watch something YouTube video, and so every time I have to be aware.
Hmm. And Greater Noida is, I think, nearby Noida. Am I right?
Yeah, it's Noida and Greater Noida and Delhi. It's like a very near to this kind of city. Jaipur is a very near from NCR.
Uh, 400, 400 kilometer by car, I think 400 or 450.
Yeah, so it's
Yes.
good. So how is the
So
weather in Jaipur? Weather is good.
not so good.
Yeah, of course, because that is also that city is also nearby like NCR, and so that city will also affect
This
for
year
this.
the air quality is not good. This year air quality is not good of Jaipur.
Yeah, so I think so. I think I realized that in this kind of city, like in next 5 years, nobody want to live here. Like everybody, why
Hmm.
live here? Because of earning money. Otherwise, here it's not a specific thing. Then people will live like happily and all. Every time the people feel so many diseases and all. So
Hmm.
I don't like such kind of cities. Nowadays, you can say worst condition going on here.
Yes, because of this weather, most of the people are facing some breathing issues, and asthma
Yeah,
cases are increasing day by day.
yeah. So it's quite difficult to live here. Without any reason, you can't go outside. Because I am a kind of person. Every time, like early in the morning, I want to go outside, and at least a morning and evening, I want to go outside. But these days, I stop going outside because I
And
want to feel.
I heard like there is a one device. It is producing oxygen gas, pure air. I don't know the particular name of the device.
Okay.
Like
Mm,
we can install in our house and we can
mhm.
get pure air.
No, it's I think so. It's a fake news. I think so. You can't
No,
get
not fake. It's not
not fake.
fake. Not fake. Because yesterday I was watching a vlog. There is a one blogger, Lakshmi. They
Mhm.
have installed that devices, and the atmosphere of the house is very good, I can say. But yes, right now it's very costly.
Of course, because everybody required good air, because everywhere you feel like that if you're going to take breathe outside nowadays before I'm telling 2 days back situation is much more good. But when Monday last Monday when I was going outside for in the night, that time I feel itching in my eyes. So when I was taking breath, that time I'm feeling problem. But nowadays little bit good.
Yes, because these devices are new for India, so
Okay.
it's expensive. Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, everything we came
Hmm.
came together, that thing will be yeah, when mobile came especially keypad mobile, that time mobile was also so much expensive, but these days good. So maybe that thing will be also
But I
uh,
think in upcoming days in Delhi, NCR, and some other city, they really require this device.
Yeah, and, like every person will, whenever with they, that person, every time like they will go outside, then they will prefer like this kind of device. Then they will feel like healthy.
Hmm. But right now it's not affordable for middle class family.
Right, yeah. So, like after 2 years, like because what because that device is available, will be available very less.
Hmm. Yes. And now they
Yeah.
are giving some ads also. I don't, yes, Karishma Kapoor is giving the ads. I forget the name of the device.
Okay, I will. Yeah, I didn't see actually. So first time I heard about that.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay.
So, how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language 1 year ago. I started learning this language. I'm learning. Yeah,
Hmm.
sometimes
Any
I'm
hurdles are you facing? Any hurdles are you facing in this language?
yeah, I faced a lot. I'm facing because as a mother and you have a lots of responsibility on your shoulder. Then sometimes you have to escape because first priority is your family, and second thing, when I started learning this language, that time I tried to join anywhere for teaching. That time I didn't crack any interview and all. But once I learned 2 months and 3 months, then I done job in a one a school. That a school is a kindergarten, and after that I feel much more confidence.
Oh. And what do you
Yeah,
think of mistakes?
yeah,
Mistakes.
miss. Yeah, I'm not. Earlier, I was thinking like when I started that time, but these days I'm at least I'm not thinking that much because if I'll think every time on my mistake where I'm doing mistake, I can't improve and I can't work more. So this day I'm not thinking like yeah, but I think sometime I'm not showing this kind of things I'm doing mistake and all, but personally I after any session I watch my video where I have done mistake, then and after that I want to do or work on that, because if
Hmm.
I'll not do and continuously I will do mistake, then it's quite difficult to level up of my English. So I
Yes.
want to do that. Yeah.
What is your suggestion for beginners?
Yeah, for suggestion beginner, I can say first, if suppose when I started my journey, that time I didn't connect it suddenly with any people and learner. You can say that time only I listened some English content and all, and first 15 days I talked with my family member. So in this way, beginner also fix some goal, which kind of things I want in my life. If many beginner what I have seen, they will start learning this language 15 days, 1 month and 2 months. After that they'll skip, they will not do
Hmm.
like continue. They just think like that it's a it's a hard thing I can't learn. But it's my
Hmm.
perspective, it's the English is very easy, but the thing is that you have to put a lots of effort in this language, then you can learn very easily. Compare than Hindi, I think like that it's a very easy, because here are lots of resources available on internet, and if you are going to learn Hindi, then it's quite difficult to learn. Then no need to think, but depend on your style, how you are how you are carrying your style. Then you can take resources on the internet, because you are living in technology of in world. So it's easy, and there are 4 steps everybody knows that, then you can
Hmm.
follow, and every beginner can learn.
Okay, there are, so many techniques, shadowing, story
Yes.
narration, play. So, which is your technique for learning this language in beginning?
Beginning, I can say at that time I was not doing that much practice. Only I was doing what I was doing practice with my husband, and speaking practice, you can say sote jagte means every time I was done practice with my husband, every time like 15 20 days, you can say I was mad about learning this language. And after that I realized, no, I have to take another step for level up on my English. Then I started connecting with my co-learner and all. So in this way I improve.
Okay, because there are so many techniques, like some are trying mirror technique, some are doing shadowing, some are,
Yeah,
talking with the co-learners. There are so many techniques.
No, but yeah, but I really am personally. Wait, beta, wait. Personally, I'm telling I don't like talking with in front of mirror and studying practice because it's quite like hectic for me. Whenever I feel like whenever I'm going to talk with a front of mirror, that time I feel not much more like what I am doing, which kind of activity I am doing. So I don't
Hmm.
like kind of activity. I like to connect with the people. If like suppose I'm talking with you, you will ask multiple question, I will also ask multiple questions. So in this way it's a very easy for improve myself.
Hmm. And what do you think about AI conversation and real people conversation?
Yeah, I didn't I heard of many time one day 2 days I also talk with like chat gpt, but I'm not doing everyday practice with like chat gpt and all. And one thing, one what you said.
Real people, real people.
Real, I want to connect with real people. Basically, I don't want to because AI, why people want to, because suppose you are not getting partner for practice, so in that case it's good. But nowadays it's easy for you will get more partner, then you can connect with them. So it's quite easy.
Okay. According to you, if you have partner, then you should do practice with your partner, or you can say real person.
Right, yeah. So, okay,
Hmm.
Tanya, my friend came back from the park. So nice talking with
Okay,
you
okay,
today.
okay.
Inspired a lot. I learned so many things from you. So now I'm going to
Okay,
see.
okay. Okay,
Okay,
bye
bye bye.
bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
आज की कोई डेली यूज सेंटेंस है। ऊपर से तो हर कोई अच्छा लगता है। एवरी वन लुक्स गुड ऑन द सरफेस। एवरी वन लुक्स गुड ऑन द सरफेस। अगला सेंटेंस है, किसी के मन में क्या है यह हम कैसे बता सकते हैं। हाउ कैन वी नो वॉट इज इन समवंस हार्ट। हाउ कैन वी नो वॉट इज इन समवंस हार्ट। गलती से भी उसका नाम मत ले लेना मेरे सामने। डोंट इवन मेंशन देयर नेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी बाय मिस्टेक। डोंट इवन मेंशन देयर नेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी बाय मिस्टेक। अगला सेंटेंस है, ध्यान से सुनो, अब और देर नहीं होगी। रीड माई लिप्स, नो मोर डिलेज। रीड माई लिप्स, नो मोर डिले। रीड माई लिप्स का मतलब होता है जब हम किसी से कहते हैं कि केयरफुल होकर के मेरी बात को सुनो, तब वहाँ पर हम इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं। अगला सेंटेंस है, जो कुछ भी कहो उसमें सावधान रहो। याद रखो, बेलगाम जुबान बड़ी मुसीबत खड़ी कर सकती है। बी कॉशियस अबाउट वॉट यू से। रिमेंबर, लूज लिप्स सिंक सिप्स। Be cautious about what you say. Remember, loose lips sink ships. यानी जो आपकी ढीली जुबान होती है या फिर बेलगाम जुबान होती है वो कहीं भी मुसीबत खड़ी कर सकती है। उसके लिए हम ये ईडियम यहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं। अगला सेंटेंस है, उसने पूरे आत्मविश्वास के साथ इंटरव्यू दिया। शी गेव द इंटरव्यू विद कंप्लीट एप्लॉम। शी गेव द इंटरव्यू विद कंप्लीट एप्लॉम। एप्लॉम का मतलब था फुल कॉन्फिडेंस। अगला सेंटेंस है, कोई भी यहाँ दूध का धुला हुआ नहीं है। नो वन हियर इज अ सेंट। नो वन हियर इज अ सेंट। और यू कैन से नो वन हियर इज इंटायरली इनोसेंट। नो वन हियर इज इंटायरली इनोसेंट, यानी कोई भी पूरी तरह से निर्दोष नहीं है। बहुत था करेक्ट सेंटेंस। नेक्स्ट वन इज, अपनी भड़ास मुझ पर मत निकालो। डोंट वेंट योर फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑन मी। डोंट वेंट योर फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑन मी। और यू कैन से डोंट टेक आउट योर फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑन मी। डोंट टेक आउट योर फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑन मी। अगला सेंटेंस है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, नौकरी तो जाएगी। व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट दैट कैन हैपन, आई विल जस्ट लूज माई जॉब। What's the worst that can happen? I'll just lose my job.